The Sandoval law firm provides legal services for families dealing with divorce, child custody, and more. If it's important to you, it's important to them. Raul Sandoval Jr. is a board-certified family attorney, and he's here with advice this morning on child support enforcement. Raul, what should someone do if, for example, the other parent isn't paying their child support as ordered?
Sure. It's extremely important not only for the parent who's supposed to receive child support, but for the children ultimately. It's to support them. And so there are options to be able to collect that child support. And one of the most important things for a parent to do is to make sure to keep track of the payments that were missed. Sometimes they may get partial payments, so you want to keep track of all that because your attorney will eventually need that when you proceed with filing what's called a petition or a motion for enforcement of that child support. So you'll need to make sure that you jot down exactly what was missed. In addition to that is, from that point, you will then schedule a court appearance, a hearing before the judge to present that request for the court to collect on that child support. And some of the things that a parent can request with that is, hey, I need reimbursement for attorney's fees. It's not fair that I had to go hunt the other parent down to collect support for my child or children.
Sure.
And so attorney's fees would be appropriate. It's actually something that's required in the family code unless there's a really good reason for the other parent not to pay child support or attorney's fees, and we'll go over that in a little bit. And the other thing is you can actually punish the other parent. It's called contempt. And one of the things that can potentially happen is jail time. So it's very important. The other parent should be cautious to pay their child support, even if they don't have enough to pay the full amount. And we'll talk a little bit more about that. But sometimes the other parent may say, well, if you send me to jail, then you're not going to get child support. But there is the option for a request to the court to say, well, judge, they need to keep working. They work Monday through Friday. I want that jail time to be on the weekend.
Whoa.
And a judge can do that. So you can't just say, well, if I go to jail, you're not going to collect any payment from me. There are some defenses as far as there are certain circumstances where the parent who's supposed to pay support really can't, and they've really tried hard, but you need to talk to an attorney to see what those options really are, because you really do need to have a great reason for that.
Man, this can be some tricky stuff, so it does sound like you need the help of someone who really knows how to navigate through these weeds. Right. Raul, thank you so much for being with us today. We appreciate it.
No problem.
Sandoval Family Law is based in Austin and serves clients throughout the Central Texas area. Call 512-580-2449 or go to sandovalfamilylaw.com for more details.